If you've ever needed to make a document easier to review, edit, or reference, adding line numbers in Microsoft Word is one of the simplest ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add line numbers in Microsoft Word, and I'll also walk you through the different numbering options so you can choose the one that fits your document best. Whether you're working on a report, a legal document, class notes, or anything else that needs more structure, this is a quick feature that can save a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and look at the top ribbon. You want to click the Layout tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps page setup tools and document formatting options, including line numbering. Once you're in the Layout tab, look for the Line Numbers button. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. The first option is None, which removes line numbers completely. If line numbers are already turned on and you want to switch them off, this is the one to choose. The next option is Continuous. This numbers the entire document in sequence from top to bottom without restarting on each page. So if you need one long, uninterrupted numbering system across your whole file, this is usually the best choice. This is especially useful for drafts, legal work, or documents where you need to refer to specific lines quickly and accurately. Another option is Restart each page. As the name suggests, this starts line numbering back at 1 on every new page. That can be helpful if you want each page to stand on its own and make it easier to find lines within a single page without worrying about the previous one. The last option is Restart each section. This restarts the numbering at the beginning of each section in your document. If your file is divided into sections with different formatting or different topics, this can give you more control and keep the numbering organized in a way that matches your structure. To apply one of these options, just click the one you want, and Word will update the document automatically. There's no extra setup needed. If the numbering doesn't look quite right at first, make sure your document sections and page breaks are set the way you want before choosing the line numbering style. That can make a big difference in how the final result appears. And if you ever need to change it later, just go back to the Layout tab, open line numbers again, and select a different option or turn them off completely with None. So that's how to add line numbers in Microsoft Word in just a few clicks. It's a simple feature, but it can make your documents much easier to work with, especially when you need clear references for editing, review, or collaboration. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.